morning everyone, welcome to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So basically in this video I am going to talk regarding Cognizant hiring 2024. You might be aware of that Cognizant is hiring in this year, and yes, within the first quarter you will be able to see that there is certain hikes in the job market, because yes, all the freshers are going to a very tough phase right now because the job market is not up to the mark. Many of them are struggling to get their first job, and we can understand that how important a job is for you. Means yes, each and every individual in India, especially when you are in your final semester or completed your final semester, need a job, because job is a basic necessity what we feel in our country. And yes, if the market is dip, you are expecting a job and you are not getting, that is literally frustrating. So in this video I'm going to talk regarding Cognizant, about the hiring process, about the eligibility, what are the exact criteria that is expected from you, what are the criteria that you should meet in order to make out the recruitment drives and in order to move ahead in the recruitment drive, and how exactly you can crack, what can be the expected question during your interviews, what is the certain recruitment process. So first of all, Cognizant hire for two profiles. One is Gen Z and second one is Gen Z Next. Now you might be thinking that what is Gen Z and what is Gen Z Next. Gen Z और Gen Z Next में अंतर तो बता दो, बस बोल दिए Gen Z Next. तो यार बताता हूँ. Before starting the video, like to introduce myself. I'm an IT guy, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience, campus to corporate experience, and lots more that you can think regarding IT. From on-site to about the cities, anything that you want to know regarding IT, you can find out in my channel. There are more than 550 plus videos which can give you a better insight regarding IT and all. So in fact, if you want any personal assistant regarding job opportunity, switching experience, when is the best time to switch, how fresher can get a job, what are the technology that you can be trained in, yes, you want to enter into an IT, how can you do that, I can be helping you out with all the experiences that I am having. And yes, hearing from the multiple candidate and sharing to you, means I want to share a genuine experience that can be definitely helping you out in some or the other way. तो चलो वीडियो को शुरू कराते हैं. जेंसी और जेंसी नेक्स्ट की सबसे पहले सवाल है. तो जेंसी और जेंसी नेक्स्ट में जो डिफरेंस ये है कि जेंसी की जो पैकेज है वो 4.5 LPA वेरी करती है, और जो जेंसी नेक्स्ट की जो पैकेज होती है वो 6.5 LPA होती है, 6.75 LPA. सो दिस इज द पैकेज डिफरेंस. नाउ यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कौन एलिजिबल है भाई जेंसी नेक्स्ट में, कौन एलिजिबल है जेंसी में, किसको जेंसी नेक्स्ट मिलेगी, किसको जेंसी मिलेगी, ये भी एक बड़ा सवाल है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी, रिक्रूटमेंट का पैटर्न डिफरेंट है. सपोज देयर इज अ सर्टेन सेट, लाइक सबसे पहले एप्टीट्यूड होती है कॉग्निजेंट के एग्जाम में. एप्टी आप क्लियर करोगे, सूडो कोड क्लियर करोगे, एरर वाले कोडिंग की सूडो एरर क्लियर करने के बाद जो नॉर्मल एसेंचर की तरह, मतलब इसमें स्क्रीनिंग होती है, जो सूडो कोड हो गया, बेसिक लॉजिकल अरिथमेटिकल रीजनिंग और वर्बल जो भी आप क्लियर करोगे. उसके बाद सूडो कोड तो बेसिक है, उतना तो सबको देना है. इनफैक्ट यू आर गोइंग फॉर जेंसी और जेंसी नेक्स्ट. But yes, if you want to be into a Gen Z next segment, because you will be getting a 2.25 lakhs extra as a fresher only, then you need to be a little bit different what Gen Z people are. So you need to crack two of the codes, and if that code is cleared, you are moving to a Gen Z next. Else you will be into the Gen Z profile in most of the private engineering college. But the thing is, like, you need to crack that code. So that is the basic difference. But right now, as per the market is not up to the mark, I think they are having very less number of Gen Z next profile. Even the most hiring is for Gen Z 4.5 LPA. Okay, so how you can make it and how you can break it. तो जैसे कि मैं सारे रीजनिंग के लिए बोलता हूँ, क्या प्रिपेयर करना है, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, I will be telling similar to that, but I will be adding some of the input that how is the growth in Cognizant, why Cognizant can be a best choice for you, and yes, whether choosing a Cognizant is a better decision or not. I will be talking in all this part. So like any other service IT based company, you know that I would suggest every time RS Agarwal is a basic book that you should definitely go through in order to clear out your apti reasoning, verbal and all. There is lots of problem. Go into the multiple topics that will be helping you out in order to clear those stuff. In fact, you need to check that pseudocode को कैसे solve करें. आपको बहुत सारे नेट पे मटेरियल्स मिल जाएंगे, लाइक फेस प्रेप की मटेरियल मिल जाएंगे, आपको इंडिया पिक्स की मटेरियल मिल जाएंगे, दैट हाउ यू कैन क्रैक दोज स्मॉल सूडो कोड्स एंड ऑल. ओके, एरर फाइंडिंग इन द कोड, सूडो कोड्स एंड ऑल. वंस you clear this part, you will be moving ahead in the next coding round that will be proceeding you to a Gen Z next also. But sometimes it's like depending upon the college to college, they give the coding also in the 4.5 LPA, so you have to clear that part. Once you clear this recruitment part, this initial screening part, you will be sent to an interview. An interview will be a one long interview, like of 60 minutes. They will be scheduling. That will be going till 30 to 45 on an average. Many of the candidates are giving, and yes, the expected question is just same as my Accenture. Okay, as the Accenture video I was talking, last video I talked regarding Accenture is almost same. Like they will be talking about to introduce yourself. So see, whenever you are introducing yourself, keep few points in the mind. First of all, tell what you are, what exactly you are doing. Don't repeat the sentence or don't stretch on anything. It's like keep a one word simple phrase and smart and deliver it in a smarter way. After that, tell them what exactly you want to be. Okay, what exactly you want to be, where you want to see yourself, what exactly you have done, and yes, how you want to see yourself ahead in this IT journey. Because at the end they want to know that why IT. There are n number of field in this market, why only IT? Because many of them are coming from civil, many of them are coming from electrical, many of them are coming from CSC, IT, electronics, and multiple branches are there. Why not your core branches? Be ready with all these things. After that, be ready with one of the projects. I especially told that in Accenture video. So be ready with all those things, and yes, this can be helpful in order to move ahead in the journey. Now you might be thinking, चलो इतना बकवास मेरे को मत बताओ, मेरे को पता है इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछ रहे हैं, प्रोजेक्ट रेडी रखना है, बेसिक जावा प्रोग्राम के रखने हैं, एक दो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर रख दोगे तो 40 मिनट की बकवास हो जाएगी. बट हाँ, अगर कॉग्निजेंट में हो जाता है तो ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस क्या है, कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजीज पे काम मिलेगी, काम जो मिलेगी वो अच्छा होगा या नहीं, खराब होगा, God knows, means everything is there ना, means काम अच्छा मिलेगा, खराब मिलेगा. So that totally depend upon their business requirement. Be concerned or be sure that all the technologies that they are assigning to the fresher that they are intaking is totally depending upon their business requirement. If there is a requirement, they can even push you to a development project. If there is not a requirement, even though you perform very well in your trainings, but you will be in a support project. So as per their needs and requirement, you will be getting your first project. So be ready with this thing that it will be totally depending upon the business requirement. And yes, be strong in one part, like Java is the thing that you can be strong in, or Java, basic, MySQL and all. So that definitely any technology you get in future, maybe SAP, SFDC, Power BI, business intelligence, or anything it can be like .NET, C#, anything, C#, or anything that they are giving, you are very much means acquainted with that part and you can perform well. So be ready with this part. Apart from this, the best part that you are waiting for about the hikes in Accenture. About the hikes in Cognizant. So what are the hikes in Cognizant? How you can plan a better hike? So see, Cognizant give you an opportunity. So first of all, if you are getting into agency, they also give you an opportunity in your initial year also to complete few of the courses and move ahead with the fast track promotion so that you can get a package of 7 LPA. But suppose you missed out that, like 6.75 LPA, you missed out that. After a year, there is a promotion. After again a year, there is another promotion. To 2 years, you will be getting 2 promotion. And these 2 promotion will be enough to take you to a package of more than what I can say, 7 or around 7, or it's tending to 7, you can tell like that. So within a 2 year you can expect a package like that. I've seen many of the people joining as a programmer analyst trainee, moving to programmer analyst, and after a year they are changing as an associate. And it's not like that only few people get that, most of the people used to get this. So be ready with like you will be getting in this way, the pathway will be like this. But few things you should be more concerned about कि अच्छा करना है, कैंडिडेट को कैसे पाना है. तो सबसे पहले तो वो बेसिक स्टेप्स है, मैं तो बता दिया, हाइक से ऐसा मिल जाएगा, ये मिल जाएगा, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, वो मैं बता दिया. बट हाँ, हाउ टू क्रैक इट टोटली डिपेंड दैट हाउ यू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ, हाउ यू बिल्ड योर resume. See, the basic necessity is like you should be good in basic, you should be basically strong in programming, not very strong, you should be aware about the basics. You should be having a good English, okay, flexible to work in any timings, whether it be anything, and yes, move ahead in the journey so that you can crack it in a better way. In fact, I tried to cover all the things in this video. If you think something more is required, do put up in a comment box. Even if you want any personal question, you can put up in a comment box. After that, if you want to connect with me personally so that I can guide you on the basis of your interest, on the basis of your resume, on the basis of your interest, or what can be best for you, what you can do, you can book a slot below in the top mid. You can book a slot with me, connect with me personally, and yes, I can connect and give you a better output as per the input that I will be taking from you, so that you know that a better guidance is good for a better output. So that can be helpful for you. In fact, you don't want to schedule a call, you can just put up your queries in the comment box. Even you can ping me on Instagram, I can check it out and give you a better solution that what can be best for you. So if you want anything more, you can check out the top link below in the description box, in a channel bio, or put up in the comment box. Let's keep this video till here. If you find this video little bit of also informative, इतनी सी भी अच्छा लगा हो तो भाई लाइक कर दो। चलो मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में एक नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट।
Where are you now?